PatentPia's Prometheus guide tutorials will be divided into 7 main sections. Section 3 covers IP risk analysis, and this tutorial will demonstrate how to identify and analyze high-risk factors. PatentPia's database allows users to use patent data to identify business risks. For example, similar or cited patents that are litigated and owned by NPEs usually present a high risk, and identification of these risks allows companies to proactively take actions to minimize the negative impact this may have on their business, and also allow companies to utilize this information to create new business opportunities. Other useful information include the identification of related patents that are transacted patents, patents with larger national and international families, and patents related to continued R&D. These may also be seen as opportunities or risk factors as they identify investment and technology development activities of competitors. Companies whose products and services are developed through patented technologies may also be at risk if other companies own preceding similar patents. Therefore, identification of these risks is essential to the continued success and growth of businesses. Examples of applications of the comprehensive analysis of high-risk patents, technical fields, NPEs, and more include the early detection of risk factors, which could help to possibly minimize the negative impact on businesses. PatentPia's database and Prometheus also enables businesses to identify global market risks by identifying patent-related risks for each country through the analysis of international patent families and their distribution. Some risk management strategies include the identification of patents to purchase or license that can minimize or eliminate the risks represented by high-risk patents. Also, if patents or factors that represent a threat are related to NPEs, it is important to take risk hedging actions to protect your business. Let's go to Prometheus and identify noteworthy and high-risk patents by pinpointing litigated and/or PTAB-reviewed patents, high-risk patents, and NPE-related patents, and perform analyses by technical field. Click on the filter next to the view code to locate A-TP612 and select the checkbox next to the menu item and click Go. The data type used in this analysis is #PE(US), which is PatentPia's basic patent and evaluation data, which includes all of the input patents along with over 200 parameters and evaluation scores. Once the data loading is complete, click on OK and select the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the litigated patents owned by companies. The data may be analyzed on an annual basis by adding the P14 parameter, which is the most recent litigated year parameter, to the column section of the pivot table. Users may also identify patents used in PTAB petitions by selecting the P14 Inter Partes Review Count parameter filter by selecting all items except for blank located above. Another highly useful analysis is the identification of patents most likely to be used in litigation within the next 3 years by selecting patents with a grade of S or A in the filter for the P83 evaluation grade input parameter. PatentPia's evaluation rankings are based on the likelihood that the patent will be involved in a litigation within the next 3 years, and the grades are defined by 13 levels on a 100-point scale. Users may also customize their analysis to search NPE-related patents by selecting various options on the P85, P87, and P88 filters. Another useful analysis that can be performed on Prometheus is identification and analysis of NPE-owned and NPE-related patents. Go to Prometheus and click on the filter next to the view code to locate A-TP662. Check the box next to the menu item and then click Go. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and go to the resulting worksheet. The results in the table show the NPE-related patents categorized by technical field. Users may select patents related to specific NPEs or technical fields by utilizing the row labels filter. Let's try intellectual ventures. Click OK. And users will be able to see that they own several patents related to virtual reality. By clicking on the number representing the issued patents in the table, another sheet will be generated with patent data supporting the results. Users may also click the URL in column B, which will take you to the PatentPia's website, where you will be able to find comprehensive information related to the specific patent in addition to information about the NPE. Staying on top of patents related to and currently owned or licensed to NPEs allows businesses to not only protect themselves from the possibility of litigation, but it also allows businesses to identify potential patent monetization opportunities. Another analysis that can be performed on Prometheus is the identification and analysis of litigated patent families. Go to Prometheus and click on the filter next to the view code to locate ATB812. Select the checkbox next to the menu item and click Go. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and select the worksheet with the results. The results in the table show the country distribution of high-risk patents for each company and by technical field. This is helpful to businesses as non-US based companies whose patents are filed and maintained internationally but have been litigated in the US have a high likelihood of being litigated in their respective markets and/or countries. Users may filter the results for specific current assignees and technical fields, and users may also click on the number of patents in the table results to see the patent data supporting the results. Let's click on patents owned by Nintendo. By clicking on the URL in column B, you will automatically be taken to PatentPia's website, where you will be able to see comprehensive information related to the specific patent in addition to information about the current assignee. Additional analysis of PTAB reviewed patents and their families and their country distributions by technical field can be performed by selecting the view code A-TB822 in the analysis user interface. Litigated and PTAB reviewed patents families have higher likelihood of being litigated in their filing countries. Therefore, users may take actions to mitigate risks or identify opportunities for licensing and/or sales. For more information, please visit us at about.patentpia.com or www.patentpia.com.